Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it's getting better, but it's still not there. But first and foremost, thank you for coming in early. I know lots of you have come back and told it's really early, but you know what? In Mumbai, whenever you start, it's early. And as soon as you come in, it's not that early. So thanks for taking the time. I'm sure that you're going to get whatever in Bombay language, it's paisa vasool, provided you are able to sit through a day full of series of sessions that's going to till your brain. So please keep your brains along with you. We made sure that there is enough of coffee, lots of Pepsi, and various kinds of drinks available for you to keep rejuvenating yourself and come back and sit during the day. This day today has got two parts. One part is about the two I's, the invitation to innovation. So anybody who's come in here, invited in whichever way that you've come in here, is invited to start innovating, thinking about what you can do differently, learn from what's happening here, and also ask lots of questions here. So that's the first part. The second part of it are the 4 C's. So there is a need to converse with each other, but for that you'll need to connect with each other. So connect, then converse, contribute, because if you see there is a whole lot of contribution requirement from people who are sitting in this place. This whole convention that's been set up for you is been created so that you can also contribute all through the day. So there is Twitter happening all through the day. There are people sitting inside who are supposed to take photographs. So those of you who are sitting inside the room, be careful. There are people taking photographs of you. But at the same time, you are going to be hopefully stars in this place. So photographs, and some of you who are taking photographs have got a chance to win if you've taken good photographs of this event. There are some of you who are going to be blogging on what's happening today. So for those who've done good blogs, I think you've got a chance to win prizes. Some of you are going to ask questions. You've got, again, chance to win prizes. So those are the various contributions that you can do during the day. And of course, you've got a chance to collaborate. So the 4th C is about collaboration. Hopefully, during the day, you'll meet a lot of people. There are a whole lot of stalls that's been set up. This kind of a convention cannot get done but for the support of various people who come in as partners for this event. You would, for the day, see a whole lot of partners being talked about. Please take time to go and visit them. At the same time, there are people inside this room you would like to connect with each other and then try and see if you can collaborate. So the 4 C's, again, connect, converse, contribute, and collaborate is going to be the order of the day today. And tomorrow, you will continue this till afternoon, and hopefully this will end up with all of you really being filled with as much of information, as much of needs of whatever it is that you are coming from, the business that you are coming from, and being able to go back and add value to the businesses that you are in. So with that, I would like to welcome all of you once again. Hope you have a great time ahead.